Hey, this is your favorite tech with another tutorial. Be sure to check us out on our website or text us if you need tech support. Hey, in today's tutorial, we're going to be performing a factory reset and removing personal information from a Windows 10 computer. This tutorial is for anybody who wants to start fresh, whether they're starting a new operating system or they just want to clean and start over. First thing you're going to do is go to the start menu and type in settings. It's going to be named app under this computer. You're going to click settings, and then our settings menu is going to open up. All right, we're in the settings screen. Go to update and security, recovery. We're going to do reset this PC. So we're going to click get started. So you get a choice to keep your files or remove your files. We're going to remove everything in this video. Keeping your files is more of a refresh. Removing everything is to get everything clean. Nothing's on your system. So we're running remove everything now. It's going to take a while. It's asking, do you want to clean the drives as well? This is for security savvy users. We're going to select remove my files. It's going to remove personal files, apps, programs that didn't come with the PC, and any changes made to the settings. So it's removing everything you need to have a clean, fresh start on your computer. We're going to click restart. All right, so our system's restarting. It might take a little bit, and it's getting ready to load up. So it's currently reinstalling Windows. We're almost at the next step. All right. Now we're gonna go ahead and start this process. So put that information in and then press next. Just legal stuff, you just accept. You're gonna just go through these custom settings and pick what you need. It's pretty straightforward and logical. So at this point, your system has been factory resetted. Hey, if you found this video valuable, go ahead and return the favor by liking and subscribing to this channel. If you subscribe, type the phrase "I subscribed" in the comment section below. Keep in mind, when you subscribe, it motivates us to continue to make these free videos. Lastly, if you enjoy learning about technology, entrepreneurship, or making money online, go ahead and check out my other videos on my other channel. Thanks for your support.